Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to my ABC Dad. My name's Craig and this is
Elliot.
And today, what are we doing?
Doing paper airplanes.
Yeah, we're making paper airplanes, and here they are. They're just on a downloadable sheet, and in the window below, I've left a link that you can go and find these. Mine says happy birthday, and we're living in France here, so what does yours say, Elliot?
Bon anniversaire.
There you go. We'll be coming back to you with the camera pointing down so that you can follow what we're doing to make these paper airplanes. And the first thing that we need to do is clean the table. And then the next thing we need to do is cut around these border dashed lines. Okay, so Elliot's got his cut out, and I've got mine cut out. And now the next step is the folding. So we finished the cutting, and now we're folding. What do we do first again, Elliot? Which fold do we make first?
This one?
The middle line. So it says first fold. And do we fold in or out? How do we fold again? I can't remember. Okay, so we turn the page over and then we fold this way. And that is our first fold. We try and make sure that the center line is lined up right at the edge there. And we make a nice crease. And then you can see that when you open it up, the fold is right along that center line there, or close to, very close to. Okay, so now we've got that first fold. What do we do next?
Here.
We fold the second fold. Okay, so how do we do that? Turn it over again, and then we fold it in, the corner right into the middle, and fold along that line. Do we do one side or both sides?
Both sides.
Both sides, okay. And a good way to make sure that you fold along that line is to make sure that your piece runs along the center fold. What do we do next?
Fold it on this line and this line.
Okay, so I've got my fourth fold. I'm gonna fold along here. And now we're folding the wings. And I turn it over and I do the same on the other side, and that is the fifth fold or final fold. And there, when we open it up, is our happy birthday, bon anniversaire paper airplane. Okay?
Whee!
And there goes Elliot's. Okay, so that concludes this video session where Elliot and I made paper airplanes. I made a happy birthday paper airplane in English, and Elliot made...
Anniversaire.
Okay, and that's happy birthday in French. And again, the link to these downloads are right below. So we hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.